Friends, now today we are going to execute the largest program. Yesterday means the smallest program. Now in today's class we will be executing the largest number. In largest number program also same execution process is there, same thing is there, but little bit different is there. What is the difference I will tell you. Before going to that, first I will tell you again recap of the program, how to write, how to already we have seen in our previous video how to write the program. So now execution of largest program we will be doing, and how to write this program is same like smallest number only with the one change of instruction is there. That instruction change is nothing but J and C. Here in C, smallest program we are separating what our largest number, we are removing all the largest number and we are taking the smallest number and we are copying it into memory location, from memory location to accumulator, and we are from accumulator we are transferring it to the memory location. This is our task for our smallest program. Okay, but now for largest number program, what you have to do means, first same thing, you have to take one memory location 8850, transfer the data which is on the memory location 8850 to B register. Same program we have to write for largest also, same as smallest. Then after transferring, you have to increment the HL pair, because who is a memory pointer? H is the memory pointer. Without H you cannot go for the memory location. So HL pair is the memory pointer. After the data is transferred, next what you have to do, you have to go for the second number. For going to for the second number, you have to increment HL pair. HL pair will be incremented to 8851. Then from there it will transfer. 8851 is having first data. As you will get the first data, what you will do, you will decrement the count and you will transfer that first data to the accumulator. So the first data is in accumulator. What you will do, you will decrement the count. Okay, after decrementing the count, what you will do, you will be like after decrementing the count, you will be storing the number from memory to accumulator, and you will decrement the count. Again you have to increment the count HL pair, and you have to increment it on 8852. On 8852 the second number will be there. That second number and the number which is in first in accumulator, both the numbers you have to compare. After comparing, here in largest program there will be a little bit change. After comparing, you have to check it by that instruction will be like JNC, jump on non-carry. You have to check for the smallest numbers. And JNC means what? Jump on non-carry. Non-carry means what? If it is non-carry, non-carry means what? You have to check for non-carry number. If it is non-carry means that is the smallest number, because we are writing the program for largest. So smallest number we have to keep aside, and we want what? Highest number, that largest number. Out of 5, if your count is 5, out of 5 one number is like largest, that will be your final result. Large number you find out means that will be after you are finding out the large number. So in smallest number, what instruction we have used? JC, jump on carry. We are checking for the highest number, largest number, and we are keeping aside. We want only smallest. If there is a carry, that is largest number. So you don't want largest number. What you will do? Again you will check. Again you will check. Again you will check. After checking, finally you will get smallest number, and you will store that smallest number to. You will move the smallest number to accumulator, and you will store the smallest number to the memory location with the help of the accumulator. Same thing here also in largest number program. What you will be doing first, finally you have to check the number. When you are checking the number, what is happening? As you are checking the numbers, you will be checking for largest number, means which instruction you will use? JNC, jump on non-carry. That means you will check for smallest number. If there is no carry, it is a smallest number. We don't want smallest number, we want large number. So finally what we will do? Large number we will take. If we out of 5 numbers, out of that one number is like largest, what you will do? You will take that largest number, obviously, and you will copy it into or move it into accumulator. Then from accumulator you will keep that data, final result data, on the one memory location. Okay, so this you will do. That is easy. Okay, now finally you will get what? One largest number. Out of 5 you will get one largest number, and that number you will keep it in accumulator. From accumulator you will keep it into memory location. Okay, now finally your memory location is having one largest number. Okay, that number will be like the final result of your program. So what is a method? Simple method here. Just in my previous class I have shown you, but once again I am telling you. Simple method is first loading the data in one memory location, moving that data to the memory from memory location to B register, then incrementing the memory location with the HL pair, because HL pair is only the pointer. After HL pair is incremented, it will be getting second number, first number location is 8851. That first number you will be moving to accumulator. As you have moved that number to accumulator, what is your main task? Decrement the count. If it is 5, it will become 4. Then again you increment the HL pair for taking second number. Now second number is in memory location, first number is in accumulator. Both the numbers you have to check. For checking procedure, what you have to do? You have to go for compare instruction. After compare instruction, you have to check for the JNC or JC instruction. If it is if now it is largest program means you have to check for JNC, means smallest number. You should separate, means largest number only you should check. JNC means jump on non-carry. That means if it is not having any carry, that means it is smallest number. So we don't want smallest, we want only largest. Take that largest number and move it into accumulator. Then from accumulator you can move that data to any other. You have to store the data result to the final memory location. So finally what we accumulator, when data in memory, and we are comparing. After comparing, we are checking for the jump on non-carry instruction. Jump on non-carry means we are checking for smallest number. If it is small, we are making it separate. If it is large, we are moving it into accumulator. Finally, out of 5 numbers, if you are having any one number is large, so that finally that number will be large number out of 5. you will be having some smallest number, all are smallest, only one number will be largest. That largest number will be finally moved to your memory location with the help of accumulator, because as soon as the largest number is find out, then finally from accumulator it will store the data to some memory location. What is that memory location you are using in your program is 8860. Okay, so on 8860 you are storing the final result of your program. Okay, now simple method is going on. What I have said you, in largest, smallest we will use JC instruction, in largest we will use JNC instruction. In smallest, why we are using JC? Because we are making largest number separate. And in smallest, why we are using JNC? Because we are making smallest number separate and we want largest. So there is only two difference between largest number and smallest number program. Largest number program means what? Largest number means you will use JC instruction. Smallest number means you will use JNC instruction. JC means smallest number means JC. Largest number means JNC. Smallest number JC means if there is a carry, it is largest. We don't want largest in smallest program. We want small. So small number will be moved to accumulator. In largest number JNC, that we don't want small number. We are checking for non-carry. Non-carry means it will be a small number. So that small number will move to where? To accumulator. So that we don't want small number, we want large number. So that large number will be moved to where? Accumulator. So in largest and smallest only two difference. One is like jump on carry, and for largest you will use JNC instruction, that is jump on non-carry. Okay, so now we will start executing the program for largest number and we will see whether we have written the program correctly or not. As soon as we will get the result, that we will confirm that the data, the program which we wrote is like correct, and we can proceed for the final answer. And execution itself is giving us the proof that the program is right. So now we will continue with the execution of largest number program, where you can see the final answer, means what is the final answer of your program. Largest number will be available on 8860. Finally your largest number will be okay. Now we will start largest number program. Now we will be executing the largest program. Okay, largest program already I have revised. Once again you can see the largest program revision. Okay, here you can see, here we have to enter only two things, that is machine memory location and machine codes. And you can see in largest program what is the change we have done here. There we are having, in smallest program we are having JC, but here we are having JNC. Okay, that means jump on non-carry. So like this, JNC means jump on non-carry. So it is like it will not jump on carry, it will be collecting the smallest number and keeping it separately. Then we will get only largest number in at the location 8860. Okay, 8860 we will get the largest number. Okay, now only one change we have to do in smallest, JNC. Here for largest program we have to write. Okay, now I will enter the okay, now I will enter the program. Okay, now I will enter your largest number program. Okay, first execution of largest number program means see Now we will execute the largest number program on this 8085 microprocessor kit. Okay, same kit, and this supply is passing this supply to it. Now first examine memory 8000. Okay, next now we will enter 21. Same thing is there na? So codes are also there. Okay, we will enter 21 is there. Next, after executing the smallest, I am entering 21. Same program for largest. Next 50. Next 88, 46, 23. Same program, only one instruction we have to change. So we have to change only one code. Okay, we have to change only one code. 7E. Next 05. Next 23. Next BE. Okay, now at 889 there you are having DA code, but here 889 you are having what? Which instruction? JNC instruction. Okay, JNC instruction means what is the code of JNC here? JNC 889 means D2. D2 is the code for JNC. Only this instruction code we should change here. Okay, only this instruction code we should change. What is the code here? D2. D2. Okay, because there we are having what instruction? JC. Here we are having what instruction? JNC, because largest program. In largest and smallest we will change only one instruction. So you should not be confused. Only one if you are studying smallest program, more than enough. One instruction you can change and directly you can write largest program. Okay, next on 9000 we wrote. Next we should go for A same OD. Next 80. Next EF. 7F. 7F is 7E. It is 7E. Okay, then after 7E, next 05 C2, 07 80 32 60 88 76 7 6 you should enter. Okay, after that you should press reset, examine memory. You have to give the data, like if you are giving count 8850, count you give as 4. Okay, 04. Next give some numbers. 03. Next 01. Next highest number what we are giving? 05. Next 06. Next 08. Okay, so till 855 we have given. Okay, we have given this number. So highest number is what? You can see largest number. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. 5 numbers you should give. Count is 4 means you should give 5 numbers. Okay, pakka, sure, compulsory, because it will take from 00. Now 08 is the number. This 08 is the largest number. It should come on 8860 location. Execute, go. It will go to 8000. Okay, execute it. Reset. Examine memory. We are seeing now 8860. Okay, 06. Okay, it is not taking the fifth location because we have given 6 numbers now. So out of that we are having only highest number is 6. Okay, once again I will see. Reset examine memory 8850. We are giving 0 4 2 3 1 5 6. So till 5 it is taking. Execute, go. Okay, 8000 executed. Reset. Okay, examine memory 88. Reset examine memory 8860. 60 means the highest number you got is nothing but 60. Okay, on this memory location finally you got 60 as the highest, that means largest number on 8860 you got, because our count is 4, so we got 6 is the highest number, largest number. We got 6 as a largest number. Okay, so by this we have completed the execution of largest and smallest numbers. Now in largest we have made only one change, that is GNC instruction code, and in smallest that is nothing but JC. Only one instruction if you will change, that is more than enough. If you will study smallest number, more than enough. No need of largest again in studying. Just one instruction change, you can study, you can remember, and you can write the program. Okay, so by this we have completed the execution of largest and smallest. Okay, in my next class now, in my next class I will be starting the ascending and descending order program, which is the last program of your syllabus. Thank you.